see a man, a bad ghost. Let's go.
Ooh, scary. No!
So we popped down to the ancient city of York to check out the York ghost merchants and purchase ourselves a spooky friend for Halloween. This specialist shop is found in the Shambles, one of Europe's oldest medieval shopping streets. And did you know it was the inspiration for Diagon Alley and Harry Potter? Now, as we arrived, we were greeted with a huge queue. We were told the wait would be 45 minutes, and that's a normal queue. A lot of the time they say, look, they can get queues of 2 or 3 hours. Now, we weren't really able to wait and go into the store, but they were able to tell us about a second pop-up store they have just around the corner. They gave us a little map, sent us on a merry way. This is the difference between the two stores. The main store has up to 1,000 different ghosts in there, while the secondary store only has 500. That's still plenty of spooky guests for us, so we got our bags and we packed and went off on our journey. Now, the Shambles itself is well known for its unique and diverse selection of artisan shops, and while we were there we popped into an all year round Christmas shop, a fudge shop where they made the fudge in front of you, and we had to have a look in the potions cauldron. Now, this store has wizarding drinks for all. These drinks are delicious, but they also come with a bit of a magical twist. I had to have the Curiosity Cola, and just look at this. But what this one does, all you need to do is shake to activate the magic. They do taste delicious as well. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, I'm not exactly sure what this shop actually sold, but I had to go in when I saw this fluffy dragon. Really amazing animatronic that blew smoke, and the shop itself was really well themed. Got to be honest, from looking around, it looked like it sold antique clocks and incense sticks, but I'm not really sure what it was about. It was a really cool shop though. Now, what do you expect to find on the street that inspired Diagon Alley in the wizarding world of Harry Potter than a Harry Potter shop itself? Now, there were actually several Harry Potter shops we came across, but this was the one that not only was the biggest, but also looked the coolest. It's called the Shop That Must Not Be Named, and had so much Harry Potter memorabilia. It was any mudblood's favourite place for sure. We had to have a look in. Above our heads we found Hedwig, brooms and letters of acceptance to Hogwarts. And you'd be spoiled for choice if you're a Harry Potter fan in this store. I'm going to be honest, I've been to the studio tours over in Watford. We've been to the wizarding world of Harry Potter at Universal. Now, I've got to be honest, as well themed as their shops are, they seem to have half the stuff this store had. This literally had absolutely everything. If you could think of it, this store had it. It even had the magical potions from the other store we'd been in previously. It had an absolutely incredible range of Harry Potter wands. From the films, it had all the different characters you can think of. It even had the Fantastic Beasts characters as well. And I'm going to be honest, I did think I'd have to get my wallet ready. I thought Lindsay was going to fall in love with one of these ones and want them. So we'd had our fill of shopping on the famous Shambles. We decided now's the time to go and find the Ghost Merchant's pop-up store. So we took the map they'd given us, tried to follow it, and find the store itself. On our way to the Ghost Merchants, we did find quite a lot of really unusual things, including the most haunted pub in Europe, according to this sign here, the Golden Fleece. Now, York is known as the City of 1,000 Ghosts, and on our journey towards the ghost shop pop-up, we did find plenty of ghost displays. Now, these are apparently seasonal and will be going in November, but definitely worth a look at the moment. But even though we did struggle with the map, we did manage to find our ghost shop pop-up. Our top tip if you are going to visit the pop-up shop is to use the map on their website, not the ones given by staff or any instructions given by staff at the original shop. These weren't easy to follow, and the one online is a lot easier to use.
The ghost to tog.
She's also got rainbows. No, she's not. Thank you.
Oh look, it's ghost-alytical.
Thank you.
The littles that once were. I think it's for Lloyd. He probably just rolls them under the floor so something to do.
I can do a picture.
Yes, that is a seedling ghost. What they are, or were, is they're ghosts that we used to give just very small children who used to queue for the original store in Shambles. And we used to give that, and it was a bit thank you for doing that, but as you can imagine, with this place opening, ghosts we... but yeah, no, so with that, the workshop
Whatever you want.
a little bit overwhelmed with how much we have to make at the minute, so yes, that is the last seedling we've given out is to this woman here because she's very patient, waiting for me to celebrate.
It's super cute.
I want pink ones there.
Fancy 46 pounds, unless of course you got a £3 bag. Would you like a £3 bag? It looked just like that.
Oh no, I'm ready.
You're alright, that's okay. Well, our card machine is hidden away in this little box, so we'll take that full.
Yeah, that's alright.
Whatever you would like.
That's all. Thank you very much.
Because I want pink ones.
What pink one, John?
Here you go. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day, folks. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I think an hour and 45 about.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you, have a lovely day. Right.
You were definitely first.
You don't like to come
It's just your natural place. Miss Van, fire off.
All of our ghosts on that wall are 70.
It's 1 o'clock.
Small ghosts left on
6 minutes. 6 whole minutes. Oh, is it wool?
Have you picked a ghost yet you like? Find a pink one then.
Yeah, so yeah. I don't know whether I want this one down here. Thank you. Enjoy.
Oh, it's like half and half.
I just got
Well, this one is half and half. Or whether I want that one that's like tie down. Or that one.
Two little ghosts. Which one will Lindsay choose?
That one.
That one?
Yeah, that one.
That one?
Yeah, that one. I think. What do you think?
I'm not sure, whichever one
Yeah,
you
that
like.
one.
All the same game.
I'm going to take a picture of it and it'll go to house now.
Did you actually buy them but sent her
Yeah,
storage
it's
so she felt good?
It's just such a different
I'm going to pick one, I think.
Yeah.
So, yeah, this one's been kind of crawling to me.
Yeah, that goes in mushroom soup.
Yeah, we don't get to.
You have that one if you want that one.
This one.
Yeah.
You got phantoms here.
Oh, they're cute, aren't they?
They're a bit more expensive. One per person.
One of the unique things about the store is you can find hidden ghosts hidden behind walls and picture frames. And with that, our trip to the York Ghost Merchants had come to an end. We had only gone in the pop-up store, and I hope in future we'll get to go in the main store. But we went home to take our ghosts to their new happy haunt. Lindsay's large ghost had cost us £17 and my small ghost was £9, so we're happy to see what they look like and pride of place on our shelf. Thanks for watching our mini vlog and we'll hatch you again soon.
Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Woo.